Now I told you that in addition to these surahs and ayat, in the days of the Prophet ﷺ as well as the companions radiyallahu ta'ala, we find the word Hizb or Manzil. They were actually 7 parts, nearly equal, not absolutely equal. There's difference. But you know, the ramparts of the cities of the surahs are not broken. That's the beauty. Complete surahs are included. The volume has become larger than the other manzil, no harm. But you know, the surahs, as I told you, these are the ramparts. These are the city walls. You can't break them. So that is the beauty. And the second beauty I told you, that the number gradually increases. In the first manzil or hizb, you have 3, in addition to Surah Al-Fatiha. That is common to all. Then 5, then 7, then 9, then 11, then 13, then 65.